Hey guys, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add lens blur effect to an image on Photopea. So first of all, you want to open Photopea, and after that, you just need to drag the image for which you want to add the lens blur. And here you can see the image. So for adding the lens blur effect, I'm just going to choose a particular part that I don't want to add that blur. So for choosing that particular part, here on the left you can see here many tools, and here is a tool you can see here object selection tool, and then from here you just need to select the portion that you wanted. And now you can see that you had been selected the image, and drag your mouse to there, that selected part, and right click on that and click on inverse. Then the background of that image will be selected. So for adding the lens blur, on the top you can see here many options, and here is an option you can see here filter, click on it, and from here as an option you can see here blur. From there you just need to choose lens blur, and from here you can just increase or decrease whatever you wanted, and after that click on OK. So now you can see that you had been added lens blur effect to your image on Photopea. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.